Today I'm trying the viral ramen hack from months ago. It was highly requested, but I don't know why I'm just now getting around to trying it. So you're supposed to combine an egg with the seasoning packets from your instant ramen of choice, add in some minced garlic and QP mayo, then you mix it all up until most of the seasoning has dissolved into the egg. Next, boil the noodles until they're cooked, but save the water and keep it boiling. The water is key to cooking the egg as you slowly pour it into the seasoning mixture. It's probably easier to remove the noodles from the broth, but I was too lazy, so I just poured the broth in a little at a time, making sure to mix vigorously. The color was already starting to look interesting, and then I plopped in the noodles. The last step is to add in some chopped green onions. Appearance-wise, it looks amazing. Without the egg and mayo, the broth typically looks like a clear red, but with the items, it was creamy. Taste-wise, I was pleasantly surprised. The mayo offset the spice quite a bit, but made the broth a richer experience. I would definitely try this again, and I would recommend this to people who think the Shin Ramyun noodles are too spicy. This hack will definitely help. Also, I can't find the originator of this hack, so if you guys know, please tell me so I can credit them in the description.
Let's make a creamy ramen. Melt the butter and add the chili paste. Pour the milk and mix. Don't forget the seasonings. A little bit pasta water. Now add the ramen. Cheese. Oh God, look at this. I love it.
How to cook instant noodles like pro. Unexpired instant noodles. What? Soak in water from Mississippi River for 30 seconds. Steam for 10 minutes. Leave it alone. Potato and spam. Stir fry until all is browned. The big three. Fry till aroma comes out. Salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Clean water. Add noodles. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Chop the green onion. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
How to make the best buldak ramen ever. Oil, garlic, veggies, ramen powder, water, noodles, buldak sauce, milk, cheese. You're welcome.